Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to handle returns for digital items on eBay. First of all, open eBay application on your device and then go to your selling section at the bottom side of your screen. And now let's suppose that I want to sell some digital item. So I need to press this blue button, list an item, and okay, I will type digital camera, for example this one, and I want to sell this one. If you have already some listing with your digital item, you just need to go to your active listings and then open the details of your needed item. So here we opened the listing summary, and now all you need to do is scroll to the return policy. So you can find it in the preferences section, and here you see return policy. And to edit it, you need to tap this pen icon, and here you see return policy, and you can select no returns accepted. So those all sliders should be disabled. Okay, so what else? In the description of your item right here, you can state that this product is a non-refundable digital item, and clearly explain why. But for example, if there is a situation where when a buyer requests a return through messages, so messages, here notifications tab at the bottom side of the screen, and here will be all notifications from the buyers. So find the conversation and tap respond button and respond to a message politely. So clarify that the item is digital and it's not it is not able to be returned or refund as per your return policy and listing description. So be professional and kind, let's say, in your messages. But for example, if the buyer escalates the issue or opens a case, respond through the resolution center with documentation of the delivery. So documentation includes screenshots of email, messages that the buyer has actually ordered your item, and in the future, to avoid misunderstandings, always label your listings as digital delivery only and disable any physical shipping options. So that's basically how you can handle returns for digital items on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.